I'm Robin Gruters. I'll be the principal at Dorothy Dodds.
And I'm Nancy Wilson, the assistant principal.
Come on in, we'll show you our new building. This will be where our secretaries will be sitting and administrative offices.
So we just came in from the main office area, walking down this hallway into our cafeteria, which is super large with some nice architectural details up above as well.
Okay, now we're in the gymnasium. We have the black and orange paint for the Ghost Spuds. We have basketball hoops that will be added, and there'll be an exact opposite on the other side, 2 full gyms.
Okay, well we can't stop looking around because things are amazing in here. This is our media center with a computer lab off to the side, large windows.
This is the first grade area with the classrooms that surround it. We have the flexible learning area with the soft seating. We have the boys and girls bathroom to our right. And let's go check out a classroom.
Come on in and take a tour of one of the first grade classrooms. You can see that we have ample storage space, which every teacher loves, with a sink, built-in cubbies, drawers large enough for posters,